Hello everyone, this is Jane from Guangzhou Whole Fry Machinery. Today we will show you two machines. Let's go. First machine is the empty bottle feeding machine, and the bottle will one by one into the conveyor belt. The second part is automatic vertical round bottle labeling machine with visual detection. The worker put the bottle one by one into the conveyor belt. When the electric sensor detects the bottle and the position cylinder side to the PLC for labeling. The light is used for bottle increase the brightness and benefit for the camera to detect the position. The speed of precision labeling machine is 10 to 15 bottle per minute and stable for QR code and barcode and so on. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.